In a previous video, we used our homemade gel plates like stamps. If you're interested, there's a link to the video below. And while I was stamping with my gel plate, I really started to like how these stamps work together. They just blend in together so nicely. So I decided to layer them together and basically make a collage. And these are postcard size collages, and I'll show you at the end of this video how I make them. In order to collage and layer my images, I'm going to use different sizes and shapes of homemade gel plates. I'm also going to use some colorful acrylic paints. And also it's a good idea, if we're gonna make a collage, to choose a theme for the collage. And I think I'm gonna choose some retro images. I have this book here with some nice cool pattern of the 50s. So I'm going to use a few images from this book. So here are the images which I edited and printed with my laser printer. I'm also going to use some images from this magazine, but I'm not going to use the magazine itself. Instead, I just copied a few of the pages, and again, I printed them with my laser printer. I'm also going to use some text, and I might use some sheet music pages. Okay, so now let's start. And feel free to sit back and watch while I stamp and layer the images. By the way, if you're interested in taking my new online class, Gel Printing Images, you will learn how to transfer your photos with a gel plate over a beautiful background and some text, and you will be able to create some beautiful artwork from your own photos or any other images you have. Anything you can print, you can transfer with a gel plate. So yeah, if you're interested, be sure to check out the link to the online class below this video. When the collage was done, I felt like something was missing. I enhanced a couple of the images with pencils, but still I wasn't happy with the whole thing. I think I like parts of the collage, but just not everything together. So here is what I'm gonna do. I'm using this photo mat to frame parts of the collage. I really like this area. But I think this one is definitely my favorite. Okay, so I'm going to mark it with a pencil. And I'm going to use a metal ruler to cut out the section I want. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in my books and online classes, check out the links below this video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.